Easy installation with standard Phillips head screwdriver. Fully reversible lever, can be installed on both right-handed and left-handed doors. Fits all doors 1/3/8 to 1/3 in thickness. 6-way adjustable latch to fit any 2/3/8 or 2/3 backset. Certified Grade 3 security by ANSI/BHMA. Amazon Basics Contemporary Madison door lever, passage, matte black. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent designer, minimalist look. The hardware provided works for all doors. The look is simple and not junky like the common big box store designs. I have about 10 of these already in use for 2 years. No issues at all. I needed 2 more for a remodel.